What's going on, everybody? G-Bonics coming at you with a brand new cryptocurrency video, and in today's video we're going to check out Nebulas. Nebulas goes by the ticker NAS. It is ranked number 91 at the making of this video, January 16th, and it is a blockchain search engine utility token from what I can see. The market cap is currently 299 million, volume 30 million, circulating supply 35.5 million, and the total supply is 100 million NAS. So it is currently at $8.42, and since today is a heavy red day, it is down 22%. The chart is it looks like it's on a downtrend, so probably a pretty good time to buy. It is facing like this, so it's dabbing, and it's available in Huobi, Gate.io, OKX, Gate, Ether Delta, LBank, Altcoin, and BCX. The highest volume it has so far is 11 million for the day, so it's a pretty new coin. And if we go to the website, it's a pretty nice website here. It says, it has never been so easy to search for blockchain data. Nebulas Rank, our innovative ranking algorithm, allows easy access to valuable blockchain data. Create your first blockchain search engine. Search multi-type data in blockchain world. Open source value ranking algorithm. Start with your familiar high-level languages. So from what I'm understanding, it's a search engine on the blockchain. Which blockchain project is gaining the most traction? Which exchanges, including DEX, are moving the most volume? Show me all of the predictions, smart contracts. So this seems to want to capture all of the data that's happening within other blockchains and pretty much making it searchable and easy for you to find. For 2018 Q1, they want to release and mainnet online, and 2018 Q4, they want to do self-evolution function release. So far, they've just released the white paper and the testnet online. And here are all their socials and their partners. So if we go to the white paper, Nebulas technical white paper, the value-based blockchain operating system and search engine. And this was made September 2017, so relatively new. And moving on to the abstract, we have, all right, so the abstract reads, Bitcoin and Ethereum has successfully introduced peer-to-peer electronic cash system and smart contracts to blockchains. The industry is evolving rapidly with emerging application scenarios and business requirements. For current blockchain technologies, we find that there are three challenges: measure of value, self-evolving capability, and healthy ecosystem development. Nebulas aims to address those challenges. This white paper explains the technical design, ideologies, and principles of Nebulas framework. The framework includes Nebulas Rank, which measures the value by considering liquidity and propagation of the address. Nebulas Ranking tries to establish a trustful, computable, and deterministic measurement approach. With the value ranking system, we will see more and more outstanding applications surfacing on Nebulas platform. Nebulas Force, which supports upgrading core protocols and smart contracts on the chains. It provides self-evolving capabilities to Nebulas system and its applications. With Nebulas Force, developers can build rich applications in fast iterations, and the applications can dynamically adapt to community or market changes. Developer Incentive Protocol, DIP. Designed to build the blockchain ecosystem in a better way, the Nebulas token incentives will help top developers to create more values in Nebulas. Proof of devotion, POD consensus algorithm. To build a healthy ecosystem, Nebulas proposes three key points for the consensus algorithm: speediness, irreversibility, and fairness. By adopting the advantages of POS and POI and leveraging NR-POD will take the lead in consensus algorithms. This is something kind of like what Hashgraph is doing, which is trying to have a better consensus algorithm than Bitcoin. All right, and the last one, let me see, search engine for decentralized applications. Nebulas constructs a search engine for decentralized applications based on Nebulas value ranking. Using this engine, users can easily find desired decentralized applications from the massive markets. All right, and then in the contents, it goes into what is in each of these sectors. So the introduction, blockchain technology, introduction, business and technology challenges, Nebulas design principles. Next, there's Nebulas rank, overview of Nebulas rank, transaction graph, ranking algorithm, and manipulation resistance related works. And the next, Nebulas force, Nebulas virtual machine, NVM, upgrade design of the protocol code, block structure, upgrade of the protocol, upgrade design of smart contracts, Turing complete smart contract programming language, upgradable contracts, the developer incentive protocol, DIP, design goals, DIP, reward distribution algorithm, experimental results, cheating analysis, and then proof of devotion, POD, consensus algorithm, design goals, defects of commonly used consensus algorithms, design of the POD algorithm, generation of new blocks, dynamic validators set, consensus process, fork choice, slashing conditions, and POD, economic analysis, incentive analysis, and cheating analysis. And then blockchain search engine, introduction, infrastructure, Nebulas trends, keyword query, searching for similar smart contracts. And the last three, fundamental services and developments, domain name service, Lightning Network, developer tools. Number 8, Nebulas token NAS. Conclusion, that I will read out to you guys to give you a better idea of what it is that the Nebulas team is trying to aim for. Seems like a pretty innovative project, not something that everybody's trying out. And this is their conclusion. What we hold. From a high abstract perspective, blockchain is the right confirmation of data in a decentralized way, and tokens function as the carrier of the right confirmation value. The internet solves the communication of data, while blockchain further solves the right confirmation of data. For the first time ever, blockchain translates public data into private data, which will no longer be analyzed and utilized arbitrarily by large enterprises such as Google, Amazon, and Facebook. The essence of blockchain represents by public blockchain is community, token, application. Community is essentially a from bottom to top ecosystem adhering to the idea of openness, open source, sharing, and non-profitability, which is completely different from existing from top to bottom business ecosystems. Token is the carrier of the right confirmation value. There will be more scenarios in the future than those used only for attributes of virtual currency and electronic cash. Applications simply refer to the technological implementation of blockchain application scenarios. Without the combination with the aforementioned two factors, application alone cannot fully reflect the charm of blockchain systems. The blockchain system represents by public blockchain is the future of blockchain, as its trustless and permissionless attributes are the actual value of the blockchain systems. On the contrary, most consortium blockchains / enterprise blockchains are trust-based and permission-based, which means they cannot break existing patterns and are considered as improved innovations, while public blockchain systems overturn existing cooperation relations and are considered disruptive innovations, reflecting the maximum value of blockchain. What we are committed to. Be as the first blockchain search engine around the world, Nebulas is committed to exploring hidden dimensions of blockchain value and building a value-based blockchain operating system, search engines, and other related extensive apps. With this commitment, we put forward Nebulas Rank to set up a measure of value on the blockchain world, design Nebulas Force to empower the self-evolving of blockchains, develop developer incentive protocol, and proof of devotion to motivate the upgrade of blockchain value, and construct Nebulas search engines to help users explore other dimensions of blockchain value. What we believe. The ongoing scientific and technological evolving will lead us to a better life with a higher level of freedom and equality. As one of the major technologies, blockchain will gradually give full play to its advantages. Being part of this evolving world is our greatest happiness and accomplishment. Similar to the internet, blockchains will also enter a phase of explosive users/apps. Blockchain technology will become the base protocol of the next generation smart network, and the number of users will reach or even go beyond 1 billion in the next 5 to 10 years. Significant opportunities and challenges will both emerge in the next 5 years. Facing a tremendous ecosystem in the future, ask not what blockchain can do for you, ask what you can do for blockchain, because blockchain is an organism and economy. We're glad to share this with all of you in the exploration of blockchain technologies. So that was a quick overview of the Nebulas white paper. It's 61 pages long, so I'm not going to read through the whole thing, but that gives you a quick idea of what the Nebulas blockchain is trying to do. It's a utility token. Here is Etherscan, where you could check the blocks, and Explorer, where you could also check the blocks. They got a 7,396 member strong Telegram. Also got a GitHub, 7 repositories. Here they got the Wiki, Explorer, ERC20, NIP, Research, NVM. And they also have a how to join the Nebulas testnet. We're glad to release Nebulas testnet here. It simulates the Nebulas network and NVM and allows developers to interact with the Nebulas without paying the cost of gas. And if you want to run your own nodes, please use the testnet configuration to join the Nebulas testnet. They also got a Twitter, 10,000 followers, and they seem to be pretty active. So promising things. I believe this is the CEO. I'm not exactly sure. But also Facebook and 1,500 readers on Reddit. Pretty interesting stuff. I heard they also have a YouTube, so they are building the community. This is relatively new, and I heard it has a bright future. Oh boy, Huobi is the main exchange, and it's pumping 126 Bitcoin a day, so that's pretty good. And yeah, guys, that was a quick overview of Nebulas. If there's any coins you think I should cover, please name them in the comments down below. If you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe. Hit the post notifications to catch my videos. Do a new coin almost every day. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.